Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a shave gel. It's for men, so it is my husband's. It's his favorite one to use, but I recently used it too because I just ran out of mine, unfortunately. It's totally fine. I liked it. He's been using Gillette for years. He just really likes it. He told me because it goes on thick, and then when he's shaving his beard, he has to have a clean face, a clean shaven face for work, so he's like constantly shaving. So he was telling me like he just likes that. Sometimes, you get like irritation from shaving a lot, and he said that the sensitive cool just kind of helps him with that, and it just feels less irritated, and he feels like because it goes on thick with the consistency and everything that it really helps to prevent against cuts, and even like cutting when you're shaving over those skin irritations on your face that you're really not supposed to shave over. But since he has to have a clean shaven face for work 5 days out of the week, it's like sometimes there's just nothing you could do about it. He just has to kind of shave over it and be careful. So Gillette Series is made with menthol, so it has like that cool kind of feeling going on your skin, and like that cool minty feeling. It feels good. It feels refreshing. It has 3 times action, so it hydrates, protects, refreshes your skin. This one is 198 grams, so it's 7 ounces, 7-ounce container. Container may explode if heated, so just like keep it at room temperature. I'm sure he'll be taking this, in his suitcase when we travel next month. I think you can only, if I'm not mistaken, I think you can only bring like 6-ounce containers. I don't know if that includes shave gel, I'm sorry, but this will be fine in the checked bag. So we'll just like bring this with everything else in our checked bag. So good for travel that way. It doesn't take up a lot of room. Gillette Series 3X action hydrates, protects, refreshes, sensitive cool with menthol, hydrates to soften hair, lubricates to protect, and cools to leave skin feeling refreshed. So it definitely has that cooling power to it. And I guess here's like a little bit of a step-by-step guide. Gillette, I like their little slogan, the best a man can get. They have razors and stuff that my husband likes as well. So he just used it. So, and I used it too, just to shave my legs because I ran out of my shaving cream. He just doesn't care and just like leaves it. I try to like wipe this down after I use it, or else it could get like a little bit of a buildup. But I'm just going to squeeze some out, and I'll show you guys. So it comes out blue and like a little bit thick. See, I love the consistency. Like, it just feels so good on your skin. It feels like that minty feeling. Let's see about the fragrance. Smell. It does smell. It has like that manly smell to it. You guys know what I'm talking about. It smells like that, like a man's product. But it also smells like a little bit of, I don't know, like mint, I guess. Like a little bit of mint mixed in there, and it gets like foamy, and it feels so good. It feels like whipped cream on your skin. So you can see how thick it is. So it has like the softening agents to soften the hair and everything. So really awesome. It comes out blue, turns white once you like foam and like mix it, and just, I would just like mix it on your beard or whatever you're shaving and let it get nice and thick, and then it makes like the perfect consistency to just go over with the razor, and it prevents against like nicks and cuts and stuff like that. Hydrates. So it really does everything that I think a shaving product should do, and it's inexpensive, so it's pretty awesome. And I'm pretty sure you could get this anywhere online. And then of course we bought these in just a store, like a regular grocery store, but you could get it anywhere. So easy to get, easy to travel with, really great to protect against any kind of shaving irritation and stuff like that. And then of course they come in, like this is the sensitive cool, but of course they have other other kinds of shave gel. Like, let me see what else I have actually. So I just checked, and we have the sensitive regular, I guess it's just the regular sensitive as well. Same Gillette, three times with aloe. So I guess that's the difference between these two. This one's just like the regular one, and it has aloe in it. I don't think the sensitive cool does. Yeah, Gillette products, like Gillette shave gel for men, it's just awesome. That's all my husband uses. So, and for years, and like I said, he has to shave 5 times a week. I mean, he has to have a cool a freshly shaven face. So like, yeah, he does typically like in the morning, if like, you know, 5 o'clock shadow and whatnot, he has to get rid of. So it really protects against all the little irritation and stuff he would have if he were using maybe like soap or just a different product. So it's Gillette Series 3X Sensitive Skin Cool. I hope that you guys and gals, if you if you want to use, if you don't mind using a man's shaving cream that works just as well as women's to shave your legs, try this out, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I hope you guys found the video useful. See you later.